A factory reset restores your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router to its original manufacturer settings, erasing all custom configurations, passwords, and settings. You'll want to do this if you're experiencing persistent connectivity issues, software conflicts, or before transferring or disposing of the router. As of September 2025, Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 routers support the latest Wi-Fi 7 standards, which offer much faster speeds and modern capabilities. Resetting helps optimize performance and security, especially after firmware updates or to address potential security vulnerabilities. The process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes and requires physical access to the router. It's a nuclear option, but effective for troubleshooting. Begin by ensuring your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router is powered on and plugged into a working outlet. The router should display normal LED lights indicating it's operational. Next, locate the Factory Reset button on your router. It's typically a recessed pinhole on the back or bottom panel, often labeled Reset or marked with an icon. Insert a straightened paperclip into the Reset pinhole and press and hold the button firmly for 10 to 15 seconds. Watch for the LED lights to flash or change pattern, indicating the reset process has started. Release the reset button once the lights flash. The router will begin rebooting automatically. This process takes 2 to 5 minutes, during which your Wi-Fi network may temporarily disappear. After the router reboots, you'll need to reconfigure your Wi-Fi settings. Connect a device to the router's default network, then use the Spectrum app or open a web browser and go to 192.168.1.1 to access the configuration page. If your Spectrum app supports remote management, you might have the option to factory reset the router directly from the app, which can be convenient for troubleshooting from afar.